Hello, today we will guide you through how to update Zoom to the latest version. Keeping Zoom updated is a simple but important habit. The latest version often includes security improvements, bug fixes, better performance, and access to newer features. If Zoom has been acting a little differently, or if you want to make sure everything runs smoothly before your next meeting, updating the app is a good place to start. To begin, open your Zoom app on your computer. Make sure the application is fully launched so you can see the main Zoom home screen. This is where you'll be able to access your account options and check whether a newer version is available. Once you're in the app, look to the upper right area of the screen and click your profile icon. This is the menu that gives you access to account-related options and settings. If you don't immediately notice it, take a moment to scan the top right corner of the Zoom window, where profile controls are usually located. After opening the profile menu, find the option labeled Check for Updates and click it. Zoom will then take a moment to verify whether the version currently installed on your device is the most recent one. This part is usually quick, but it can take a few extra seconds depending on your internet connection and system speed. If Zoom tells you that the app is already up to date, then you're all set. That means you're already using the latest version and no further action is needed. You can simply close the update window and continue using Zoom as normal. If an update is available, click Update. From there, just follow the instructions that appear on your screen to complete the process. Depending on your device, Zoom may download the update automatically and prompt you to confirm installation. In some cases, the app may need to close and reopen during the update, so it's a good idea to save any work you're doing before continuing. As a helpful tip, try to update Zoom before an important meeting instead of waiting until the last minute. That gives you time to complete the update without interruptions and helps avoid unexpected issues when you're about to join a call. And that's it. By opening Zoom, clicking your profile, checking for updates, and installing any available version, you can keep the app current and running at its best.